This video is brought to you by Nayo. They are an innovative design company focused on creating comfortable backpacks with a minimalist aesthetic. Perfect for your everyday carry or short business trip, Nayo Smart backpacks give you the room you need in a unique tech-forward design. All these thoughts, all my impressions, these are all my own. This video is sponsored, but everything I'm going to tell you is my own opinion. Enjoy. Hey guys, today I am going to do an unboxing of a bag that was sent to me by Nayo. In this collaboration, I got to pick whichever bag I wanted, and if they had it in stock, they were going to send it to me. My first choice was not in stock. My second choice, however, was. So let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. All right, now that we got that box open, all right. So basic packaging, the box, and then here is the bag wrapped up like so. And let's see here. Can't remember which one I ordered. So let's just open this up. Here you got some, information about the bag, about the brand. This one is, dun, dun, dun. I don't know. I thought I ordered the H5 or something. They have a bunch of different collections, a bunch of different bags. They have sling bags and they have backpacks. I thought that I had ordered the Urban U5 backpack. But I think, because I did reach out to them and ask if I could review the Herman Pro half roll top backpack instead. And I believe that's what they did send me. So that is awesome. Let me get all this stuff off, and I can give you guys a real first impression of the bag. Now, my first thoughts is, so there's a leather material down here, which it feels like it's real leather. And once I do like a full-on review of this bag and get to use it some more, I'll be able to give you guys some more information about that and what the materials actually are. But they do feel really, really nice. It feels really sturdy, and I like how it feels, and it's actually very light. So starting with the back here, let me see if I can get this cut off. All right. All right, let's start with the back here. So with the back, you have this padding back here, and you have a strap that you can use with your luggage. So if you're carrying a suitcase, you can just set it on top and put it there, and you know it'll be good. And if you don't want to use it, then you can Velcro it, and it'll stay closed. You got a little bit of branding back here. These feel nice and padded and feel like they're going to be really comfortable. This handle feels nice and premium. All right. And let's see here. There's a zipper pocket back here where you can store stuff in. So like a hidden compartment so you could put your wallet, passports, things like that in. There's another pocket, and I believe this is for the laptop. So yes, you do have a pocket here for a laptop, so you can put your laptop right here. Looks like you have a tablet pocket here as well. And then you have these two other mesh pockets that are right here that go pretty deep. And then on the back part, you have this and this. Oh, okay. Very cool. So this opens up to the main compartment. So if you just want to get in and you don't want to open the top part, you can get into it from the back and the top just like this. That's really cool. I have never seen a bag company do that before. So this gives you multiple ways to get into the main compartment. That's really cool. That's something I have never seen before. And this has a ton of pockets. And this right here for the laptop, this is really nice, soft, felt, microfiber type material. This feels really, really nice. All right, so now there's that. There's this cool hook here. So let me zip this back up. And then there is another pocket here, which I believe is a water bottle pocket. Now, it's not a super large water bottle pocket. It's not a typical water bottle pocket, but it's a really nice water bottle pocket. And I don't use a water bottle pocket because the kind that I have, frankly, just doesn't fit in any pocket. It's got a handle. It's a hydro flask with a handle and a built-in straw. So it just doesn't really work all that well on any kind of backpack. So definitely not holding that against them. In the front here, there is this front pocket here with looks like a couple of storage compartments. So this bag has a ton of storage. Now there is a clasp here, and this is, so it folds down, so you can make it different sizes. So let's see if I can figure out how to, okay, so this is cool. So it just slides this way, then you can open it up, and then you can unzip it from the side, and then that's how you can access the main compartment. And in the main compartment, there's also this zipper pouch down here that you can store stuff in, and two more pockets here. I mean, this thing has a ton of storage. I mean, an absolute ton of storage. I don't think I've ever seen a backpack. Oh, I think that's worth seeing again. So this is magnetic. This just magnetically clips in. Who doesn't love magnets? That's nice. I like that. And this offers a nice strong connection. So that's good. I like that. I think you can fold it more than once. This is nice. This is really, really nice. I am pleasantly surprised by this. So this will become my everyday carry backpack. And I am really liking this. So my first impressions, my first reactions, this is a nice bag. And I will do a full week review on it to let you know how it goes, how it works to carry everything around, because I do carry a laptop, I do carry an iPad, and I do carry a tech pouch that's got all my stuff in it. So this is really, really nice. So first impressions are really, really good. They're not paying me to say this. All of my thoughts are my own, and they did sponsor this video, but I had no idea what to expect. I have never worked with this company before in my life, and they reached out to me, and I'm really glad that they did, because this just feels like a really, really nice bag. We'll see how it holds up, but man, does it have a ton of storage. I am excited about trying this bag out, and I really like how it looks. They do have a couple of different colors for the Herman Pro half roll top. They have a gray and a black. They also have a Herman H2 half roll top backpack, which is only one color. It kind of looks like a black and gray camouflage. With the I'm sorry, the U5 backpack, the Urban U5 backpack. They have black, and then they have a white, and then the Urban Roll Top backpack looks like they have in a gray or olive green type color. But they have a lot of really cool backpacks on here, and this looks to be their third version of the Herman Pro half roll top backpack. So I'll include the links to the website below. I will also include a discount code to where you can go and order this yourself if you want. And again, this is an initial review, initial unboxing, and I'm excited to really use this. So hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe, smash that bell so you get notified when I put out new videos. And guys, I will check you later. Bye.